Good day, this is Michelle Malangkot and this is my Elective 1 Data Communications and Networking 1 Laboratory Exercise 006. The title of this activity is Email Configuration and Transmission of Information Using Cisco Packet Tracer. After doing the experiment in Lab 5, we will now configure an email server. Make sure that Experiment 5 is completed before proceeding in this experiment. Open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Drag an additional server to the platform area. So this is my Lab 5. We will just add a server to the platform area. Change the label of PC0 and PC1 as dynamic and PC2 as static. We already did that on Lab 5. Dynamic, and static. In PC2, since it is named as static, configure its IP address. Now I'll just check this if I saved that one. Nope, I didn't, so we'll make its default. Its IP address to 172.16.0.90. Okay, this is saved there, and PC1 is dynamic. Try to save. Make sure that the packet tracer is in real-time mode. It is. Configure the email server. I think I should connect this first. Let's connect this one using a straight-through cable. So we'll change its name to email server mail.mis.edu. Config, display name, and let's delete that one. Okay. Change its global settings by setting its gateway to 172.16.0.1. Okay, configure its fast Ethernet by setting its IP address to 172.16.0.4. Okay, I'll just paste this and type that in, and then automatic subnet mask is the same one. Here, 255.255.0.0. Set the HTTP service and HTTPS service to off. Services, HTTP, off and off. The HCP, make sure it's off, and the DNS, make sure it's off. And going to the email, we will change its domain name to mail.mis.edu. Let's set that. And for user, we will enter this one. I will just copy the one that are here. So user 1, datacom 1. Just copy this one. Then add user 2 and datacom 2. User 3 and datacom 3. Okay, all set. Configure 2 client computers using the HCP. Okay. Click the 2 PCs in dynamic routing in this experiment. Click PC0 and PC1, label them as dynamic. Okay, already did that, and set the gateway to the HCP. Let's check. It's already in the HCP for the fast Ethernet, the HCP, and the second one, the HCP and the HCP. Configure one PC in static by setting its gateway DNS. Okay, let's change its gateway to that one, and that one, and fast Ethernet IP address. It's already there, so done. Let's check. Okay. Configure email information for clients. Okay, let's start with the dynamic one. Let's go to email, and it's right here. So name of groupmate 1, I'll just put groupmate 1, and user 1 at, I'll use mail.mis.edu. On this one, we will have to direct it to the server. Instead of using its name, I will use its IP address. Just go back here and copy the IP address of our server, email server. Oops. And there. This is our email server, right? And then enter the user 1, datacom 1, save. Okay. And the PC2, let's do the same thing, but we will use groupmate 2 for its name, and user 2 at mail.mis.edu for its email address. Use the same IP address, just copy it that way. Okay, user 2 and datacom 2 for its password. Save it. Okay, for the static, we will still do the same thing, but we'll put groupmate 3 here, and then user 3 at mail.mis, okay, .edu, and same IP address for our server, and then user 3 datacom 3. Save that. So receiving mail from server and our email server IP address. So add 2 switches, connect the servers on one switch. Connect the servers. One switch is connected to PCs and the other switch is connected to the servers that we have. So I already did that. This is the one switch that are connected to the PCs and the other switch that are connected to all of our servers. Verify the connection by sending email using packet tracer. Make sure that there will be a conversation of messages. So we will send message. Okay, we'll get its email, and of course we can use that there. Then compose to user 1, say hi. We'll just put hi there, and then hi there, dynamic 1. This is static. Let's send, and let's go to the dynamic 1 and check its mail. The received, it's here. Let's try to reply. Let's reply, hi static, how are you? And send, close, check static for its email, receive, and we received the email that's from dynamic 1. Okay. Repeat steps 1 to 10. Print screen a sample conversation of messages indicating that there's a connection. Okay. Oh, that's why there are other things here. Okay. I think I should add another PC. Let's put it here, and dynamic 2, static. Let's configure the static one and close and add another PC. Let's name it static 2. Static 2. Let's copy this one and change it to 8. Okay. Already did all that, don't have to do it again then, except for this one, 8. Just finish off with this one. It's default gateway and then a server for fast internet. I already set that one. Okay. Select user on. We will add user 4, datacom 4. Okay. Figure and PC. Okay, already did that. And then we will, let's connect this one first. Oh, we will have to turn this off and add CFE and turn it on. Straight through cable, fast Ethernet, and connected. So let's go to email and use this as groupmate 4. Then user 4 at mail.mais.edu. And for this one, the IP address of our server, email server. Copy and paste, and then already set this one as user 4. IP key sensitive, so datacom 4. There, it's successful. So after doing this part, okay, they are already connected. Now we will try to send email from static 2 to dynamic 2. Let's say user 2 at mail.mais.edu. Good day. Greetings. Just say greetings. And then we'll say good day, dynamic 2. Okay, that's okay. Let's close this and let's check dynamic 2. Email received, and here is the email from static 2. So we'll reply with good day static 2. Static 2. How can I help? Okay, let's close and check static 2 once again and received. This is its thread. So see, good day dynamic 2. Good day, static 2. How can I help you? Which was sent from dynamic 2 to static 2. So let's reply another one for the last time. Let's say just checking our connection. And received. So here it is. Good day, dynamic 2. Good day, static 2. How can I help you? Just checking our connection. There, let's successful. Okay. Let's screenshot this one. Don't think I could go on the convo, so it's wrong. So email, receive, and this one, and reply. Just a screenshot, so we can screenshot it. There. It says here that we should write. So questions to be answered within the video. Okay, already have the answers here. Let's open this up. First, let me paste our screenshot here. So what is email server? Email server is a server in a network that stores incoming mail for distribution and sends out outgoing mail to local users. It processes information from one point to another through email. How can we send information from one PC to another? So in this activity, it shows that we can send information from one PC to another by setting up a LAN with an email server, so personal computers connected to it can receive and send email to each other. What is static routing? In static routing, a router employs a manually specified routing entry rather than data from traffic generated by dynamic routing. And lastly, what is dynamic routing? Dynamic routing is a method for determining the best path between network devices by exchanging routing information across routers. So that's all. Thank you.